What's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a responsive progress bar. And over here I have a nav bar which I have a tutorial on, so if you want to learn how to do it then go and check it out. But what I'm going to do now is create a header where the nav bar and the progress bar is going to be. And let's create a div with a class of progress container. And inside of it we're going to create another div with a class of progress bar, and this will be our progress bar. Under the header, I'm going to create a main with a div that has a class of content. And instead of our div here, I'm going to just paste some content. There we go. And you should already have some content in here, but if you don't, you can just copy this. And what we're going to do now is we're going to style this, including the progress container and the progress bar. So let's go to our CSS file, select the content. I'm going to set the margin to 50 pixels, auto, 0, and then auto again. The padding to 50 pixels, 0. Width, I'm going to set it to 90% and the font size to 25 pixels. Under, I'm going to select the progress container. Set the background color to white first. I'm going to change it later. The width to 100% and the height to 6 pixels. I'm going to change this to something a bit darker so we can see it. Let's copy this and then let's go under, select the progress bar, and I'm going to just paste this here. And for the color, I'm going to put this green, and you can change it to whatever you want. It doesn't matter. We're going to change the width to 0 and then leave the height at 6 pixels. And if you open it with Fast Server, this is what it should look like. This is over here is going to be the progress container. And if we actually inspect it and go to our progress bar, and we change the width to something like, let's say 50% or anything else, then you can see that our bar here is changing, and this is what it's going to look like. And what we're going to do is we're going to be changing the width percentage with our JavaScript when we scroll. So go back and open your JavaScript file, and we're going to start by writing window.onScroll. That's going to be equal to an arrow function, and we're going to have 3 variables inside of it. The first one's going to be called scroll, and it's going to be equal to document.documentElement.scrollTop. The second one's going to be called height, and that's going to be equal to document.documentElement.scrollHeight minus the document.documentElement.clientHeight. And the last variable is going to be called scrolled, and that's going to be equal to our scroll divided by the height times 100. And under it, we're going to select our progress bar and then set the width to our scrolled here plus the percentage sign. So we're going to write document.querySelector.progress.bar.style, and the width is going to be equal to scrolled plus the percentage sign, and this should be it. So when we go back and we scroll, then you can see that our width here changes and our progress bar works. And this is it for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please leave a like, sub to the channel for more content like this, leave a comment down below if you have any video requests, and see you in the next video.